Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Hey y'all, welcome. Happy New Year. Get ready to go in here to Dollar General and do a 5 off of 25. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna see if I can take it with you all if nobody is the music is not playing. Okay, so let's do that. Hold on. All right, y'all, we get ready to go in here so I can see what kind of deals I can put together. All right, hold on. Sanitizing wipes. Hey, Happy New Year's to you too. My favorite Dollar General. It don't seem like there's no, it is some music playing, so I'm going to have to cut this short. Y'all. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. This makes my second transaction that I did on my Dollar General haul on the first video that I did. You might want to go and check that out because it's good old savings over there on the low. All right. So went in, I was like, let me go ahead and see if there is any clearance going on or some little coupons that's on the low on here. So I went ahead and went on in and I was like, let me see what I could get. So y'all, I went in there and I seen the Febreze. Okay, I'm talking about these right here. They are on clearance. Let's see how much they are. They are on clearance for $3.75. So I seen it. I was like, okay, I wonder if my $5 off manufacturer coupon will scan for that. I wasn't for sure. I couldn't remember at the time if I seen other people had already used that manufacturer coupon, the $5 off, if they used it on that or not. So I was like, let me just go ahead and just get one and see if it does. First I had it was 3. Okay, it was 3 of them. At first I had all 3 of them in my basket. But then I was like, no, I said, I'm just going to get one because if I'm trying to do a 5 off of 25, I don't have time to tell her to void everything out, then go back, try to find something that was around about the same price. Okay, I didn't feel like doing that. So I went ahead and just purchased one. Okay, y'all, I wish I had went ahead and got the other 2. Sometimes when I'm up there and I don't like a long line, and then she has to void it off and then I have to put all this stuff back in my basket, go back. And sometimes I don't want to do that. Sometimes I'm tired and I'm like, no, don't want to do it. But sometimes, you got to do it, to get you a deal on the low, right? So this one right here is $3.75. There is a $5 digital that is, no, I'm sorry, not the $5 off digital. $5 off manufacturer coupon that is attaching to this. Now, I don't think the digital is attaching. I'm thinking that it's just the manufacturer, the paper, okay? If you got the paper coupon, if you see this is actually the Apple, what is this called? It's a it's a limited edition. It is, what is Lord? It's the Apple one. Okay, I think it's the Apple Cinnamon. the apple cinnamon that is attaching to this one. Yeah, there it is. Look at me. I'm looking all over the place. Fresh spice apple. Okay. That is attaching to the $5 off manufacturer coupon that is in, I believe I got those from out of the P&G. I had already cut those out. I believe they came out of my P&G. Yeah, I wish I had got the other two, but hey, somebody else might find it and be good for them. So I just said I was going to share, okay? Yeah, I just said that I was going to just share them other two. So whoever pick it up, but believe me, y'all, in the back of my mind, I was like, girl, go back in that store and get those two and do you another 5 off of 25. But I just kept driving in my car because where I went somewhere. I left out of the store, went somewhere else, and I had to pass that Dollar General again. And I was like, should I go back in there and get those two? Because I know they probably in there. And just do another 5 off of 25. But then I had to find things. But I would have found something to do with 5 off of 25. Because all I had to do was do this deal right here on my daughter's card. But I was like, nah, I'm just going to let somebody else do it. And because the coupon don't expire until January the 9th. So I said I got until next week to actually do, you know, probably it won't. I mean, the Febreze won't be there, you know, but they might have a sale going on to where I could use those $5. So I said, it is what it is. If I take a loss, I take a loss. Sometimes, you know, hey, it is what it is. Okay. So the next thing are these Vicks Vapor Cool Severe Winter Frost Medicated Drops. It's the 18 pack. Okay. These are $2 each. In the P&G, I got 2 of them. In the P&G, there is $1.50 off of the coupon that is scanning for these two. Okay, so I went ahead and purchased 2. So I got 2 of them. They was $2 each, so maybe 50 cents a piece. Okay, just 50 cents for each one. Okay, because they was $2. The coupon's $1.50, so it made them 50 cents each. Okay, so then the next thing are these Pantene. Okay, so it's the Pantene. These are the trial size. They are $1.50 each. I got 3 shampoo. The conditioner also is scanning for it. So there is a $3 off of 3 digital coupon that is actually attaching. Yeah, it used to be $5, but they made it go down to 3. You know how the coupons are. The coupons go up, they go down, they go way up, and they go way down. So it's like, you know, it is what it is. You know, it's like a game. So you do it, you get it if you want or not, then hey. So we're going to push these to the side. Are these Go Peak teas? I am gone off of these, okay? These Go Peak teas, the extra sweet. That's what I'm gone off, the extra sweet. I just love me some extra sweet. All right, so they have green tea. Also, they have sweet. So these are $1.60 each. There is $1 off of 3 digital coupon that is attaching. So I went ahead and purchased these 3, okay? Because I love these teas. All right. So the next thing is the crest. This crest, y'all, is $2. There is a $2 off digital that is attaching to this and making it free. Then the last thing is the snuggle, okay? You can get it's the snuggle and the all. So I went ahead and got these snuggle beads. They are 2 for $8. Then also there is a digital coupon that is $3, $3 off of 2 that is attaching. You can either, like I said, you can either get the snuggle or the all. So I went ahead and got these snuggle beads and purchased those, and everything was great. So all my digitals came off. All right. And then my coupons that I had, my manufacturer coupons I had scanned to my 3 products that I had. So after everything was totaled up and scanned, my subtotal was $7.05. Yes, $7.05. So let me show you my receipt. There we go. Snuggle, you see there's $4 because they 2 for $8. There's the other Snuggle. They call Snuggle Shakers. There's my $3 digital. Then there's the Go Peak. There's all 3 of them. There's my $1 off digital. It's actually like a Coca-Cola because Go Peak is a Coca-Cola product. So that's how it's going to show up. Then there's my Vicks. They are $2. There's the $1.50. Then the $2, there's another $1.50. Manufacturer coupon. There is the Pantene $1.50. They come from the trial area. Okay, these are trial size. Okay. There's my $3 off of 3 Pantene digital coupon. And then there's that Febreze Apple. That is $3.75. And there is $5 off digital coupon. Now, the ones that don't know about digital coupons, when you have it, if the product is less than the coupon, the rest of the money will go into your products. Okay. It'll go right back into your, you won't lose it. It'll just tally on and take off. Okay. It will automatically take off. So my subtotal is $7.05. Everybody's taxes is different. And look at my total savings, $20. Yes, $20. And then I got a 5 off of 25 for next week. So y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.